So, just a simple test of one of these 1 kilowatt high pressure mercury floods. Comment I posted on the guts video of one of these, I think it was that one, said that you can also use M47 1 kilowatt metal halide lamps in these fixtures as well, as long as the open circuit potential of the ballast is at least 440 volts. And it's an M47 lamp in there. And it is clearly working. Also bright. But again, it's like 110, 120 something kilolumens from that one lamp. So yeah. And of course, to cut down on extension cord loading, I'm running it through this 1.6 kVA 230 to 110 volt transformer. Although, because we're getting about 240 something volts, it's going to be outputting about 115-ish. It's a German-made Tamag transformer. Actually, I think it's made in West Germany. That tells you how old it is. And of course, Schuko plug on it, but that's what adapter cables are for. There's the NEMA 615, and there's an IEC C13, IEC C14 connector there, which if you don't know what that is, that's the D-shaped connectors you find on a lot of electrical equipment. If you've ever dealt with computer power cords, you've seen C13 and C14 connectors. C13 is on the end of the cord, C14 is what it plugs into on the computer. Other than that's a IEC C14 to Schuko adapter cable there. And things barely even warm, although there is some fairly pronounced magnetostrictive vibration. And the warning on that is just because the Schuko plug, well, technically it's I think IEC 7/7 or whatever it is, isn't inherently polarized, and so either current carrying conductor can be the hot or the neutral, depending on how the plug's inserted. And because this is an auto transformer, depending on the polarity, well, phasing I should say, not polarity, the neutral, quote-unquote, could be sitting at 220 to 230 volts or something like that. Of course, with this being run on American 240, where it's 280 degree out of phase, 120 volt RMS hots, the neutral is going to be sitting at 120 volts, but the fixture doesn't care. In fact, even though this has a grounded plug on it, the cable is two-conductor. So it's just a hot and a neutral. And the ground would typically be provided by the bracket that the fixture is mounted to, although there is a provision in the fixture for a grounded cable were one installed. There's a grounding screw, but in the case of this thing, it isn't used. Well, the fixture that this is running.